we got about 30 minutes on the clock. So, new live set. And let's see what we can make of it. Let's keep laying things down. Pulling out the June 6. But we're gonna have that like fade. Okay, we're gonna pull out more key bass. I've just been really rocking with key bass lately. I don't know. It's a free plugin, by the way. If you guys don't have it, it's Keybase, K-E-E, bass. You can go look it up and download it. Yeah, this is a sick beat. Hell yeah. What was that before? It was like going into this. Yeah. Curious, what if in these sections we remove those top notes from this guy? Make room for a bit more. pull out Phase Mistress. Just kind of giving it a little bit of a phased feel to it. That stereo phase is kind of cool. Alright, putting it all together. That wasn't the part that I was thinking of countering, but that's a cool little counter right there. Yeah. Let's give it a little bit of a fade into that. Wasn't a huge fan of the attack on this guy, but we can fix that. We're gonna say basically from here to here we're crescendoing into it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we got about 10 minutes left. Let's see if I can bring this home. Ooh, that gave me an idea. Yeah, that little dropout's pretty slick. Okay. I think that's the beat. We did it. I think we got to save that one. Jesus, that is so good. We'll definitely be doing this again next Saturday. I'm also live on Thursdays mixing beats if you want to watch me mix some of these beats down. And of course, if anybody would like me to listen to your music, I do that live on Twitch every Wednesday for my Twitch subscribers. So feel free to pop in sometime. You know, it's super fun. So definitely come through the Twitch. I'm TapDaddyBeats on there as well. And of course, if you need beats, check out my BeatStars. I got my BeatStars listed below. If you need mixing, email me. I've got my email listed below. So all that good jazz. I think you guys know where to find me.